welcome to another video. So I'm in Kolkata right now and I almost just got scammed already on the way here. As you can see, everything is so crazy.
1 hour, 3,000 rupees.
So he's having a kidney transplant. Wow.
But 3,000 rupees shortage. Help me something.
Huh?
You help me something.
What?
Huh?
What?
Matlab, you
With what?
amount.
No. So I just booked an Uber from the really nice hotel that I'm staying at. And I think the driver knew because he saw the fact that I was in that nice hotel. So it's about 5 minutes into the journey, it's a half an hour ride. He pulled over to the side of the road and he was on the phone and he said, it's my wife, it's my wife. He basically said that his father is having a kidney transplant tomorrow and that he's got enough for the injection, but he needs money. And this isn't in an Uber, right, which you trust. I looked at his ratings, he's got 4.9 stars, you know? So he says, I need your help to pay. And this is like most of the scams. There's so many scams like this. They're all very, very similar. It's always a relative of some sort who's either sick or needs some sort of money and they'll ask you. I'll be honest, at this point, I actually did kind of fear for my safety because I was in the back of his car and he could have taken me anywhere and there could be anyone waiting. But they're very similar to the scams you get in Thailand and Asia in general. Because as soon as I said no, stop talking. And I also realized that he couldn't really speak any other English other than the main things, which was my father, kidney transplant, la 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 la. Other than that, he had no other English that he could speak, which kind of sounds like a script. So now, you leave a comment and let me know what you think. So moving on, we are in Kolkata right now and this is the market. So have a look around and see how much things cost. Ooh. I've come here because there's a lot of mobile repairs. Need to get the phone fixed. Phone currently has only half a screen, which is making it really hard for me to upload anything. Just got to try and find a place that looks legit. They all look the same, but one of these guys is going to do it. So I need to find an ATM. Wow, look at these. I've realised quite quickly that you really need to be a little bit more vigilant in India. A lot more going on, you're constantly avoiding bikes, everything's going crazy, there's dogs everywhere. But I must admit, I love the food and the tradition. So many accessories around here. The question is, how much of this is real? Woohoo! Got the party going. Look how real this stuff looks. Oh my god. This is like a proper market. And it's not far from Victoria Memorial. It is chaos though, in a very good way. I honestly haven't seen any other foreigners yet either. This guy just sells batteries, phone batteries. See how much it is to fix my phone right now. This is the third shop now. NP Electronics is the next one. Thanks guys. This must be like the street of just electronical stuff. People are fixing phones literally in the street, like right here. Look at that. There's so many places to go. Yeah, I'm trying to find the cheapest price, of course. There's a risk of my phone being damaged, I've been told. Oh, rice. That's not rice. There's so many shops. I just need to choose one now, I think. I must admit, I actually feel kind of overwhelmed. I don't want to give my phone away to someone I don't trust, especially as there's so much stuff on it. I'm trying to find one that looks kind of official. Or maybe I'll just have to wait until we go to City Giddy. There's pretty much everything for sale here and it's really, really fun. Yes! Wow. That last place wanted 30,000 rupees, which is around about almost $400. Screen. The ones outside are want 7,000, which is a bit risky, but I think I'm gonna wait until I get to City Giddy because Prab's got a mate. But I am so hungry, so let's get some street food. See what it's like. Everyone seems to be eating these sandwich-like things. Let's go try one of those. 7,000 rupees is around about 106 pounds. $120, $130, which is the price you'd pay back in England, to be honest, where I'm from. Whoa! Making me hungry. But it's my first like proper day in India, sort of getting over the first overwhelming feel that you get. It's a lot to take in. There's a lot happening, and sometimes you don't feel safe. You're not sure. But I'm sort of getting over that now, so I feel good. Got some money. Oh, little guy. How much is it? 10, is it? How much?
20 rupees.
20. So, yeah, a little bit. Thank you. Take that. Ooh.
Smell actually
To keep the flies away, is it? Or?
not exactly flies away. Smell that.
Ah, nice smell. Thank you. All right, here we go. They've added salt to it. Not sure why. It's quite nice. So we've got a selection of fruits with salt on them. Surprisingly quite nice. He was saying that he has the smoke to keep the flies away and also for a nice smell. It's actually really good, and only 20 pence or 30 cents. Now, I don't know where we are, but this looks like the speaker place. Have you ever seen this many speakers for sale? What we got here then? We've got the best speaker in the town, is it?
JBL.
This is the best one, is it? Let's have a feel. Whoa, strong, sturdy. Yeah.
Tiger speaker.
Oh, the Tiger one's cool, isn't it? Yeah, you got so many speakers here as well. That's the sales pitch. Later, bye bye. That is definitely the speaker alley. I'm actually lost now. I'm trying to find food. I'm gonna try the noodles. Or the sandwich is like an egg sandwich. What's really cool about Kolkata is they have these taxis which are only here. Different colours in other places, but just like the London taxis, they have their own special taxis. Kolkata's known as the city of joy. Oh my god, it's like a junkyard for spare parts. Wow. Or mobile phone repairs. Stuff. Wow. Okay, I think I found the place where the food is. I got super lost. There's just so much going on. What is this? What is this? With the eggs. What's that? Chana. Still looking. Frying up an egg there. Everyone eats with their hands here. I'm gonna try one of these. What's it called? What's the name?
Chow
Chamoon.
Egg chow
Egg chamoon. Thank you. He's making up a non-spicy one just for me. It's 45, which is 45 pence, 60 cents. My friend here has said that this is the best in town. It looks like. Thank you. Here we go. This is incredibly tasty. It's like peppers, some carrots and egg. No meats whatsoever. God, it's really, really good. And it's not spicy. That has to be one of the nicest street foods I've ever had. And for 60 cents, wow. Now we just need to go see the Victoria Memorial, which isn't that far away. We need to find the metro station. We'll go down the train and we get there. And the people are so kind here that my friend here is just going to take me for a sweet, sweet dish. Grab a little bit of dessert before the Victoria Memorial. It closes at 5.
D-O-I.
Doi.
Can you try this?
Cool. It's good. It's like sweet. What's the name?
That is Mishti Doi.
Mishti doi. It's cream and sugary. So good. Finish that so easily. Gonna try one more.
No, that's one.
Oh, okay. Maybe not.
Yeah, its name is
Milk cake.
milk cake.
Milk cake. Milk cake. Here we go. Like a. It's a bit like butterscotch. Really nice. Quite dry. Come for another one, I see. Last one. Thank you. Color cut. Color cut. So it's quite squishy. It's got a squishy feel to it. All made from milk. Wow. I actually quite like that one. It's really, really nice. Nice aftertaste. With a lot of mess. Thanks, guys. Cheers. Well, that guy was really nice. He actually just paid for the food and said, "No, it's my treat." Now we're heading to the Victoria Memorial. Woohoo! Under 10 rupees, and I've got this thing. I'll be honest, I don't know what to do with it. I don't know what it is. Oh, there we go. Thank you. I was looking for somewhere to insert it, but actually just gonna tap it. Had to ask the guard, who looked like an army man, to be honest. Another one, army woman. Train systems in India are actually really good. I used to one in Delhi before, and it was just enormous. So that's what the police look like. Another one there, that red one is a police car too. You wouldn't know unless it said Kolkata Police down the side. Wow. Wow, what a beautiful place. That looks like the place we're trying to go. I don't know if we're going the right way. This looks like a back door. Just love exploring these places. I don't know where I am, but I'm having a great time. Wow, now that's interesting. I wonder what that is. So this looks like Victoria Park. We're just trying to get in. We was over that side, but actually it turns out that that's not it. What's my first impressions of India so far? It's crazy chaotic, but if you can get past that first overwhelmingness of it's just a bit crazy at first. It's actually an amazing place, and I'm falling in love with it very, very fast. Got one little security check to get through. This is it. And that's not even the entrance, that's the exit. We gotta walk round. This place is so nice when the sun's setting. Quick ice cream, cocoa vanilla, only 55 cents. Whoa! Woohoo! Almost there. Look how guarded this is. Black barbed wire. So, those of you who've got this far, why do I do this? Well, my aim is to travel every single country in the whole world. And I can only do that with your subscription. If you can subscribe, I'd love that. Even better if you can leave a comment. Oh, I love you forever. Let's get married. Cheers. We are here. Wow, look at those prices. Look at the difference between foreign and resident. 500. Thank you. There's our ticket. Looks the same. Hi mate, how much are these? You do them for 100? Thank you. Just realised how stupid I look wearing them. Now the easiest part is giving the ticket over. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, it's dead cute. And we made it to Victoria Garden. Memorial, sorry. Oh, you could say it's a garden. I know an interesting fact about this place. They use the same marble here as it did in the Taj Mahal. And it's a great place for a photo shoot. Isn't a cloud in the sky. What a beautiful day. Woohoo, to be alive. So 500 is £5, which is $8. Come in. Value for money, that's good. Whoa, this is a museum. The funny story, I still haven't seen one other foreigner yet, which is crazy. You may have worked it out by the name Victoria. But this is a monument built for Queen Victoria during 1906 to 1921. Don't quote me on the 21, I think it might be 19. It was definitely built in 1906. Memorial of her death. It's incredibly big, surrounded by multiple gardens. Oh my god, the guy's got hair growing out of his ears. Ow. What do you think, buddy? Very talented. Well, I've never seen that before. And that's where I'm gonna have to wrap this video up. Thank you so much for watching. I had such a great time, other than the whole taxi thing, but I'd love to know what you guys think in the comment section about that. I asked the other guy and he said, do not pay them. That's not right. So I'd love to know if you think that's a scam or not. See you guys in the next video. Bye, hero.